Hello and welcome to the SMI shooting floor on the Mahe Bengaluru campus. I'm Niret Alva and I'm here to speak about a brand new series that we're about to shoot. It's called PG Talks at SMI. We are here to speak to faculty members who are going to talk about these fantastic postgrad courses so that you know which one to apply for and which one to choose. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to Postgrad Talks at SMI. With me today is Manoj Dangoria. Manoj, you do many things. You're now on a PhD journey. So I'll let you introduce yourself and tell us about the course that you lead.
Thanks, Niret, for the opportunity. So I manage the Industrial Art and Design Practices, popularly known as IIDP, with single I. And so it's a blend of, making, design research, data collection, and actualization of idea, lots of field work. Yeah.
What would you say is the kind of ideal student that you would look for to join this course, to apply to this course?
Yeah, so people who has a big idea and they lack the creativity to actualize the ideas. And in the IIDP space, you have a fantastic idea and you can actualize it and realize the real potential of the ideas. So historically, most of the students are from the architectural background, engineering background, because engineering has a limited, in India, sadly, that engineers are not making that much. So engineers do come here for the making kind of experience. We do have a fine arts people who has done that 4-year degree in fine arts, and they are also doing the masters. And there are some people with the working professionals. They have some work experience. They took the break to elevate their learning, so they also joined the thing.
Okay. So these two acronyms that a potential student has to confront, there is the EOC and the SOP. So what would you say is both these things filled up by the student to be, what are they supposed to do with these two acronyms?
Yeah, so for the EOC, especially in IIDP case, so whatever a student has done previously, it could be their personal project, it could be a professional project, or it could be the final thesis project. So they should compile in sense of it should give a real picture and core interest that this is the area that you want to explore the creative journey in Srishti. So we also know that how we can nurture them. So so they can curate their very limited or selective work, they can put it in evidence of competence. SOP is the thing, so when they write, so it should be very clear and that how whatever they're going to do here, it's aligning with the larger picture that IIDP is offering. So I would suggest to students, please go to their website critically and write the SOP with the respect that what are the facilities we are giving. So it should properly align that what you're going to do here.
Okay. Can you tell us something about the collaborations that are available beyond just the course at SMI, because we're part of this bigger ecosystem now?
Yeah, so we do have a collaborative kind of space, and historical also we used to do collaboration, domestic collaboration as well as international collaboration. We used to run the workshop spaces. So workshop is a 2-week kind of intense making kind of space where we do have a collaborative learning expedition. So we invite universities from across the world. So we used to have a university from China, Zurich Art College, and currently we are in the pipeline with the Sheridan College, Canada. So we'll visit some places. This time we are going to Jaipur and we'll stay for 12 days. We'll work with the craft industry. We'll visit places, hands-on workshops, and lots of creative idea and actualization of ideas. And in my ecosystem, we do have a pipeline with the MIT collaboration where with the tech support, making is we have expertise, but for the tech support, we can take help from the MIT.
Okay.
Yeah.
What can you tell us a little bit about the avenues, the different doors that open to students when they've finished your course?
So student can join their family-owned businesses if they come from that kind of background, because students do historically join their family business and elevated the business. And they can join micro industry, because in industrial design the industry part is very misunderstood, because in India there are different kind of industry, micro, small, medium industries, and India do have second largest employment provider in non-farm category is a craft and hands-on kind of industry. So student can join the small studio, they can work with the NGOs, they can work with the government, and they can start their own startup. There are a few students, they started their own kind of ventures, and they can join the large company. Some students are working the Urban Ladder, Lenskart.
Manoj, nowadays everybody it's talking about AI, right? It's this sword hanging over everyone's head. Other people say it has to be, some people say it has to be embraced, some people are saying it has to be rejected in the creative enterprises. What do you have to say, and how does it fit into your course?
Yeah. So in my course, so AI, we welcome AI, because AI is going to help you with the large data set that, and it's give you very prompt kind of actions. So if you are spending, like say, tens of days in researching and data collection, AI will help you in do the same task in one day. And also in the concept generation, we used historically and traditionally we used to do many concepts, but with the help of AI, you can do many concepts in a few seconds, and you can take a leverage of the AI for the data collection, actualization, visualization, and there are many things that we like to do in the terms of the actualization of idea, material research you can do with the AI. So we do welcome AI, and I feel like there are many courses or disciplines they are scared of the AI, but we feel like making it's the core, and AI not going to take that making. Yeah, thank you.
One last thing, you don't talk about it a lot, but you are on a doctoral journey, and tell us a little bit about that and how you teach and pursue research at the same time.
Yeah. So my core area in my research is the place-based branding for craft enterprises, because craft is as I mentioned, the second largest livelihood provider in India. It is a very significant and very important part of the Indian society as well as the economy. So we are thinking in my research that how you take a place as a core area for the craft and how it can be branded for that. And for my this research area, I also try to embed it in the courses where I take a student to the different villages and I make them see the real world, how things are made, what are the different things goes in a back end, and what are the different kind of channels it goes through. So in the courses also we try to give a very real and actual picture. It's not very hypothetical, but you go and you see the real world. So yeah.
Okay. So Manoj, I'm going to request you to look into that camera and speak to potential students and tell them why they should come here.
Yeah, so if you have a bigger idea and you really like to actualize the idea, this is the place for you, and we do help you to foster your ideas, build your ideas in a very concrete manner that can help you in your career. And it's very collaborative, very open society in Srishti. There are a lot of people, lots of collaboration you can do. So if you have that creative spark and you really want to make a big change in the society, this is your place, and we're going to help you to build your capabilities. Yeah, please do come. Yeah.
Manoj Dangoria, thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.